Hello student, today we are going to see NCRT example problem class 11 physics 14th chapter 5th problem we are going to see. The problem is based on simple harmonic motion. Okay, x is equal to 5 cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4 which is given in the question. The time period is 1.5 second. Okay, they want displacement, velocity and acceleration. Okay, so class 11 physics, okay, 14th chapter 5th problem example problem we are going to discuss. It's for the class 11 physics. Okay, x is equal to 5 cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4. This is given in the question. Okay, the time period is 1.5 second. Instead of writing 1.5, 3 by 2, which is also called as a 1.5, just you can write 3 by 2. Okay, displacement, velocity, acceleration, three question is asked. Yeah, the first is given, time period is given. First I am going to find what is the displacement. Displacement is equal to the first question we are going to solve now. Okay, displacement is equal to amplitude, which is given in the question, 5 cos 2 pi. The time period is given 1.5, that I wrote 3 by 2. This get cancelled. Okay, plus pi by 4. Okay, plus pi by 4. So we'll get x is equal to 5 cos 3 pi plus pi by 4. Okay, so now what is the value of this one? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, cos 3 pi first you can find. Okay, this is cos 2 pi. Okay, this is cos graph. This is cos graph. So till here pi. Okay, till here 2 pi. Okay, till here 3 pi. Okay, cos 3 pi answer we can get minus 1. Okay, so cos 3 pi answer minus 1. So x is equal to minus cos 3 pi minus 5 cos pi by 4. Okay, cos 45 degree. Okay, pi by 4 we can have 180 divided by 4. So minus 5 cos 180 degree divided by 4. Okay, so 180 degree divided by 4, it is 45 degree. Okay, so now displacement is equal to minus 5 cos 45 degree. Okay, what is cos 45 degree? 1 by root 2. Okay, so 1 by root 2 we can have the value of 1 divided by 1.4 something. Okay, so this answer 0.707 something will get. Okay, so x is equal to minus 5 into 0.707. Okay, we are finding displacement, the unit of displacement meter. Okay, so x is equal to 5 times of 0.5, approximately 3.5 something will get. Okay, 3.5 meter. Okay, first we found what is the displacement. Okay, next I am going to teach you how to find the velocity. Okay, what is the velocity equation from displacement? If you want velocity equation, x is equal to minus 5 cos 3 pi plus, that's called 2 pi t. Okay, actually 2 pi t. Okay, 2 pi t cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4. Okay, this what is given in the displacement. Okay, if you want from here velocity, you differentiate this equation. If you are differentiating this equation, you will get as a minus 5, same, sorry, it is plus 5. Cos differentiation will get as a minus sign, that's going to be 2 pi t plus pi by 4. Okay, same. Okay, same, cos differentiation will be sin theta, this fully theta, this will get same value. Okay, 2 pi t differentiation will be 2 pi. Okay, if example x is equal to a cos omega t. Okay, same, if you want velocity, v is equal to a omega sin omega t, minus will come here. Okay, acceleration is equal to minus a omega square cos omega t. Okay, this is a simple harmonic motion equation. Now we are going to find the velocity. It is a, so cos became as a sine. Okay, so omega is called 2 pi here. Okay, omega is become here. Okay, so v is equal to 5 times of 2 pi sine 2 pi, t is called 3 by 2, that's going to be 1.5 seconds plus pi by 4. Okay, very simple solution. What is the next step now? See here, this 2 get cancelled. Okay, so 2 get cancelled, 3 pi plus pi by 4 will be there. Velocity is equal to 10 pi sine, this value will have 3 pi plus pi by 4. Okay, now what is sine 3 pi? Here 10 pi will be there, 10 pi will be there. Okay, sine 3 pi. Okay, now we need to know sine graph. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. Sine 3 pi will be 0. Okay, sine 3 pi will be 0. Okay, so sine 3 pi, no need to do it. Okay, sine pi by 4 alone you can do. Okay, v is equal to 10 into pi 3.14. Sine pi by 4 will be 45 degree. Okay, what is sine 45 degree? So sine 45 degree, again 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, what is value of 1 by root 2? It's going to be called as it's going to be 0.707. Okay, this multiplication will give us what is velocity. Okay, velocity finally we'll get as 22 meter per second. Okay, this multiplication will give us 22 meter per second. Okay, so next one we are going to find what is acceleration. Okay, third one we are going to find what is acceleration. So acceleration is equal to, already I given simple harmonic motion equation. A is equal to minus a omega square cos omega t. Okay, this together we can call as a x. Okay, so same, acceleration is equal to minus a omega square cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4. Okay, this together we can call as a x. Okay, this together we can call as a x. Okay, so acceleration is equal to minus omega square x already we found. Okay, that's called displacement, minus omega square is called 2 pi, so whole square, x is called as a 3.535 already we calculated. Okay, this multiplication will give us acceleration. Acceleration is equal to 140 meter per second square. Thank you.